My name is Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor with the Internal Revenue Service. I've worked thousands of IRS cases. I've worked at IRS a decade. I do a lot of shorts and I just create very short videos. So, yeah, at least you know what's going on. These aren't infomercials about myself, but I am a national figure in resolution. I have been on the national television, hell, I don't know, at least 10 times. By the way, I was on News Nation, matter of fact, last week. So you can look at all those on my website at 777irs.com. I just want you to know how to stay out of the IRS crosshairs in an audit. Let me tell you the first thing IRS is going to do in an audit. First thing they're going to do is pull up your bank statements, and they're going to see the amount of deposits on your bank statement, see what you declared on your tax return. So just so you know, basic tip, those two have to match. If you're depositing $50,000 in your bank account from income into your bank to spend, well, that income had to come from somewhere. So IRS is going to go ahead and pull your bank statements and make sure the two match. So the bank statement is the first place that IRS checks to make sure you're telling the truth. Now, you may got an insurance check, you may have got a loan, you may have got some money coming in. Many times you may only have got $30,000 of different sources of money that you got in, so they will knock that out of the way, but the rest of that is income. So if $30,000 came in from other sources, IRS is going to assume that other $50,000 is income, so it better be showing on your tax return. So your bank statement is the first thing that IRS is going to look at to find out if you're cheating, and then they go on from there. So the biggest tip I can tell you is watch your bank statements, because that's the first thing IRS is going to attack. If you're going through an IRS audit, we know all the rest of it. I'm just giving you the very first tip to make this very easy, because that's really the biggest source of where IRS is going to nail you on. You need going through an audit, you need help, you should contact us. We're former IRS agents. Thank you so much for watching. By the way, I do a free consultation, so best way to do is email me. I try to get back to everyone if you can. Thank you for the subscription.